Hello, and welcome to my channel, Read and Listen to English with Ben. I'm Ben, and this is my channel trailer, or channel update for the moment. We're almost in July 2023, so this is where we're at so far, what my plans are, and where we're going to go next. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Ben, and I would like to help you on your English journey. I make videos that are made for people who are beginners at learning English up to intermediate level. I read books that are designed for beginners, such as Short Stories in English by Ollie Richards, which I've already read numerous chapters and stories from, which you can find on my channel. Also, a few weeks ago, I started a podcast series called Hello, Hello, in which I talk about, so far, I have an introduction, so you can find out a little bit more about me and about the series. But in a few words, it is about topics that I think will be interesting for you, which will benefit you on your English learning journey. Otherwise, my plans for the future are hopefully to finish Short Stories in English and keep going with the podcast. I would like to be able to make videos where you can practice your writing or speaking skills. I've been watching some other YouTubers who have videos on practicing speaking, and I have some ideas. I'm thinking about possibly doing a live stream, or possibly even having a conversation with someone else in slow English and easy English that would make it easier for you to understand, because I think that is better than me sort of speaking like this. I'm here and going, hello, how are you? Yes, I'm fine, thank you. I don't think that is too natural, because that is just not what happens, is it? So maybe I'll take someone else on and we can have a conversation in easy English. But what I would like to know is what you would like to see on the channel. Would you like to see me read more English texts? Would you like me to cover the news in easy English? Would you like some help with correcting grammar? Would you like some vocabulary, productivity, fitness, other languages, tips on learning language? Just whatever you would like, just let me know. I am here. I told myself I want to make this under 5 minutes, so we're doing good so far. But yes, I'm here. Please comment and let me know, give me some feedback. I want this to be a community of English learners, and I want everyone to help each other out. There are no stupid questions. Just go for it. Learn something, and I hope I can help you with that. Okay, I'll stop talking now. Have a good day. Enjoy your week. I'm yawning. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.